What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Promenade at Sunset Walk, Margaritaville Resort, Orlando, and we're in the storage lot right now. Check it out. Both towers have been constructed. The entire spans. We told you in our last update that they were going to be constructing the towers, and sure enough, here they are. So crews leveled them out. They built the bottom portion first all the way down, and then added all the cross ties up, and then the large steel beam that goes along the top as well. So they did that for both towers, and the reason for that is to make sure everything is perfectly straight right here before it goes over to the other site. And by doing so, they can disassemble these pieces, and it's easier to transport and put up and know that it's going to be perfectly straight once it's in the air. It's looking good. Right now we're just doing touch-ups with paint. And here we are at the very top of the 200-foot spans for the towers. Only thing missing is the spindles and cable guides. But just touch-ups been going on, torquing down bolts, putting on torque stripes, just getting it ready. Volcano box structure is still over here. Same with the pump house. Some other supports and tops of the towers. Underneath the tarp, well, that's the ride vehicle. Just over here, another pump house and the spring box. And just around the corner, all the springs. So everything is looking pretty good here from the ground, but let's get into the air and get a better view. Ta-da! We have arrived at the main construction site. We can see the towers here. Still in the same place. Yep, they haven't moved. But let's get a little bit closer and see the work that's going on. The pad for the gondola and the volcano pit will be right here. It's getting some work. Over here, the tower is looking really good. And very soon, we should be building up on it. Again, cable guide box there with all the conduit lines. Just waiting. Most of the work, though, this week is going on over there. Straight line right here. Making everything all good. Over here we have the ticket booth and electrical area. So both of these foundations will be for buildings. You can see the conduit lines for electrical and plumbing. Looking good. Just need concrete.
Oh, I'm seeing it. Bug man.
Cable guide box. And cables will run that direction over to the other one. And tower right here. Ladder leading up. Again, a lot of work going on here on the ground, but let's get into the air, see how it looks. Making progress, and we're hoping that the towers will go vertical even more sometime in August. So we'll keep you updated on that. Of course, storage lot with all of the constructed pieces. It's going to be real easy to put them up in the air, and we're going to have plenty more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.